For millennia past, mankind has used machines to lift his civilization into the future. From the extraction of natural resources to the construction of his cities, one tool has proved indispensable from the beginning, and today we need it as much as ever. Daesan's hoists are masterfully designed, entirely comprised of Korean-made components, hand-machined, wired, and assembled by expert specialists. In the following video, you'll learn a little bit about what makes Daesan different.
This company was founded by my father. He stepped down, I took it over in year 2006. We have a very long history of engineers, production staff, which has been working for our company more than 20 years. So we have a very strong cooperation and bonds together like family.
In the very beginning, every Daesan product was conceived and designed by one man. And in that respect, nothing has changed. Even today, his knowledge of applied physics, materials sciences, and modern industrial technologies is the foundation of every single item in the Daesan catalog. With manual lifts, including chain block and lever hoists, and I-beam trolleys suited to each one. Furthermore, the DSA and DSM lines offer motorized, traversing, and variable speed lifts, culminating in the remarkable DSM-10W. Yet, in each of these models, from the compact to the Titanic, is contained the same Daesan mastery. A piece of machinery is only as strong as its weakest part, and that is why each and every component of a Daesan hoist is 100% Korean-made, in most cases by factories that have been doing business with Daesan for over 20 years. Despite sourcing from only the highest quality fabricators, Daesan tests each batch of parts exhaustively for composition, dimensions, and hardness. Only the finest parts are selected, and only then can production begin. The complex task of manufacturing is undertaken by Daesan's team of specialists, who on average have worked at the factory for over 7 years. This kind of individual expertise allows Daesan to ship products with extraordinary quality while keeping prices competitive. Daesan's employees work with a combination of speed, teamwork, and exacting precision to complete each customer's order on time. Equally important are Daesan's carefully maintained machines and facilities, which allow several aspects of production to be completed on-site without outsourcing. This philosophy of producing locally applies to the motors and electronics of Daesan's DSA and DSM lines, which are also produced within the factory. Inverters for variable speed motors are wired, coils are tested, and all the components are assembled entirely under one roof. A Daesan hoist, however, is not finished upon assembly. The quality testing that Daesan products undergo within the factory is exhaustive and comprehensive. Besides ensuring regular operation, Daesan insists upon extreme equipment durability. This chain, for example, has a rated capacity of 5 tons. A Daesan inspector tests its actual braking load. 22. Of course, a product that can't reach its customer on time has no value at all. This is why to Daesan, delivery is key. Not only are Daesan hoists packaged securely enough for transport anywhere on Earth, but each order comes with a guarantee.
30 days. Regardless of the quantity, we ship them within 30 days.
International customers know this to be true of Daesan's hoists, as today they are employed in over 40 countries. In warehouses in Taiwan and Switzerland, on oil rigs in Iran and Venezuela, in mines in South Africa, and on construction sites in the United States. Today, the whole world is turning to Daesan.
I don't consider myself as a CEO. I consider myself as an employee.
An afterthought to most businesses, at the heart of Daesan is its people and their relationships to one another, the bonds they share being just as strong as the bonds in the products they create.
Strong cooperation and bonds together like family.